Let's learn about asocial observational learning. First, what is it? Observational learning is learning by observing events and their consequences. There are two recognized types of observational learning, social and asocial. Asocial observational learning is learning from observed events in the absence of a model. This is the formula that describes the idea of asocial observational learning. In this formula, an observer views an event and its positive and/or negative consequences, and then is given the opportunity to imitate and learn the behavior or not. Note that since there is no model, there can be no vicarious reinforcement or punishment, yet the observer's behavior is influenced by the consequences of an event. We've learned through observational learning that a great way to learn is through example, so here's one for you. You volunteer to participate in an experiment. This time you are sitting in a room, looking through a window into the room where the experiment will be conducted. There is nothing in the room but a table and a chair. You see two men enter the room carrying a large box with a sign that reads, "The money box, take the money and run." The face of the box has a thin panel with rails above and below it. One of the men is considerably taller than the other, and as they carry the box, the panel slides to the left, towards the shorter man, revealing a hole in the box. In the hole you see a shelf with a thick envelope on it. As the men set the box down on the table, the panel slides to the right, covering the hole. Next, one of the experimenters escorts you to the room and signals that you should sit at the table facing the box. He says, "You have 1 minute to solve this problem," then leaves the room. So what do? You may not take the money and run, but it's likely that you will slide the door to the left and retrieve the envelope, even though you saw no model doing this. As this example suggests, we are capable of learning a great deal from observing events in the absence of models. In asocial observational learning, it is important to understand the idea of a ghost condition, in which, to an observer, it appears that no person caused a movement, even if a person did. Lastly, it is important to remember that imitation of a behavior does not mean that learning has necessarily occurred, and this could be from a variety of other reasons besides learning, that a person is imitating a behavior. And this is asocial observational learning explained to you in 2 to 3 minutes. Thanks!